Hi everyone, please check my work, make sure everything is correctly. 5 times 7 is 35, that was easy. Next, I dropped the 9 plus, divided by 8, minus 2, divided by 8. Next, 35 divided by 8 goes first. I don't know, so I write it in a fraction form. Next, I turn the numbers into fractions as well. So 9 over 1 plus 35 over 8 minus 2 over 1 divided by 8 over 1. Next, division goes first. I use the keep, change, flip method. So I keep 2 over 1. Next, change division to multiplication. And lastly, flip the second fraction. So it's written like this, 1 over 8. Next, multiply across. 2 times 1 is 2 over 1 times 8 is 8. 2 over 8 can be broken down further. So both numbers are half, or both numbers can be half. They're both even. So half of 2 is 1, and half of 8 is 4. So 1 over 4 it is. And next, I'll erase this part and the top part for more space, and write in 1 over 4. And I add first, not subtract. And notice that the denominators are different. So yes, I will use the butterfly method. So here's the first wing, and you multiply what's inside the wing. So 9 times 8, and here's the antenna. 9 times 8 is 72. Next, here's the other wing and the other antenna. 1 times 35 is 35. Next, the body. 1 times 8 is 8. So the denominator is 8. And then the numerator is adding 72 plus 35. So 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the answer, or the numerator, is 107. Next, I'll erase this and write 107 over 8 minus 1 over 4. And this will give us our answer. It looks like an improper fraction answer, but let's see. So notice that I am subtracting two fractions, but with different denominators. So I'll be using the butterfly method again. So here's the first wing and antenna. So 107 times 4. 7 times 4 is 28. 4 times 0 is 0 plus 2. That's 2. And then 4 times 1 is 4. So the top number is 428. Here's the other wing and the other antenna. 8 times 1 is 8. And here's the body. 8 times 4 is 32. And that's the denominator to our answer, 32. Let's figure out the numerator. 428 minus 8 is, so this becomes 0, and this becomes 2 and 4, so it's 420. 420 over 32 is the answer, and this can be broken down further. Both numbers are even, so let's just half them. And 420, half of 420 and half of 32. Let's see what we get. So I'll use a different color. So half of 4 is 2, half of 20 is 10, half of 32 is 16. So it's 16 to 10, and I'll keep going. So half of 2 is 1, half of 10 is 05, and half of 16 is 8. So the answer is 105 over 8. And this cannot be broken down further. Let's figure out the decimal answer using long division. and I'll write the first answer on this side of the board, 105 over 8, and I'll write the mixed number answer here and the decimal answer here. Here's the long division symbol, and I'll use a different color. So 105, the dividend goes inside, the 8, the divisor goes outside. How many times can 8 fit into 105? Well, I know that 8 times 10 is 80. 8 times 11 is 88. 8 times 12 is 96. And then you add 8 for 8 times 13. I'm running out of space there. So 96 plus 8 is, what is it? So 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104. 104. Yes, 104. So that's 104. And I'll write 104 here. And I'll write this 13 up there because that's the closest we'll get to 105. And then you multiply, which we already have. Done. And then 105 minus 104, that's 1. You can't fit 8 into 1, so the 1 needs to borrow a 0 and drop the 0, give it to the 1. Now the 1 becomes 10. You can fit 8 into 1. You can fit 8 into 10, not 1, into 10 one time, and 1 times 8 is 8. And 10 minus 8 is 2. You can't fit 8 into 2, so the 2 needs to borrow a 0, so it becomes 20. And how many times can 8 fit into 20? 2 times. And 2 times 8 is 16. And then 20 minus 16 is 4. You can fit 8 into 4 how many times? You can't. So the 4 needs to borrow a 0. And now how many times can 8 fit into 40? 5 times. 5 times 8 is 40, and 40 minus 40 is 0. So your decimal answer is 13.125, or your mixed number answer, 13 is the whole number. The 1, the remainder, goes above the fraction bar, and the 8 goes below the fraction bar. So 13, 1 over 8. And all 3 answers could be correct. You tell me in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.